Chuck! I know it's good to see you, too.
Jack.
But first things first, huh? Now, where is he? Where's Irwin, Chuck?
Oh, my God. They killed him.
Oh, no. They haven't killed him, but, he's lying on the ground somewhere. Right, Chuck?
No, on the nose. On the
All right. Now, but where is Irwin now? Chuck, where is he now? He's trying to get into the wet bag. Dirt bag.
Scumbag.
Deuce bag.
It's a bag lady.
He's got a bone.
Oh, my God. They cut him into steaks.
They haven't cut him into steaks. They've staked him to the ground. But where is he, Chuck? Where is Irwin now? Chuck, my jacket. That's my jacket.
Wait, Bob.
He's trying to tell us something.
They plucked him.
I'm trying. You haven't plucked him. It's something to do with feathers, something. What?
No,
Anything
no,
gonna help?
those aren't feathers. That's down.
Down! You're right! Down something. They got Irwin down something. Come on, Chuck, where? Give us another clue, quick. Chuck, how many syllables?
Two syllables. God, they cut out his liver.
Down liver. I've got it!
What?
Down liver, don't you get it? That's Japanese for down river!
Yes!
That's it!
Hey, Chuck!
Those were great clues.
I thought they were kind of hard.